In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Claude AI to proofread messy notes. If your lecture scribbles, meeting summaries, or brainstorm dumps feel too chaotic to share, Claude can quickly turn them into clean, clear writing without changing what you meant. I'll walk you through a simple flow and share tips that make the results even better. First, paste your messy notes into Claude. Open a new chat, click into the message box, and drop in everything you want cleaned up. It's fine if the text is long or disorganized. Bullets, fragments, half-sentences, even typos. Keep any headings or bullets you already have. That structure helps Claude understand the flow you intended. If your notes include anything personal or confidential, consider removing or anonymizing those parts before pasting. You can also add a quick one-line description at the very top, like, "These are raw notes from a team meeting," so Claude gets the right context. Next, make a prompt. A simple, effective instruction is, proofread and improve grammar. That alone will fix spelling, punctuation, and awkward phrasing. For even stronger results, add a few clarifiers in the same message as your notes. For example, ask Claude to keep the original meaning, preserve bullet points and headings, standardize capitalization and tense, and tighten overly long sentences without changing the intent. You can also mention your preferred tone, professional, friendly, or academic, and request that jargon, numbers, dates, and names be left as is unless they're clearly wrong. If parts of your notes are unclear, invite Claude to flag them with a brief comment rather than guessing. A helpful trick is to wrap your notes in quotation marks or a clear delimiter so Claude knows exactly what to edit. Then, click Submit. Claude will return a polished version of your notes, typically with corrected grammar, consistent formatting, and clearer sentences. Read through the output to confirm the tone feels right, and that key points weren't lost or reinterpreted. If something sounds too formal or too casual, or if you want bullets instead of paragraphs, just add a short follow-up instruction and submit again. Minor tweaks usually lock in the style you want. When you're happy, copy the refined text back into your document or note app, and you're done. That's the whole process. Paste your messy notes, write a clear proofreading prompt, and submit. With a few thoughtful instructions, Claude turns rough drafts into clean, shareable text in seconds.